This is AfriVitals, a platform built to empower Black and ethnic minority communities to better manage the health conditions that disproportionately affect us. COVID-19 laid bare devastating healthcare disparities. Our communities were up to 3 times more likely to be hospitalized due to underlying conditions like vitamin D deficiency, cardiovascular disease, and diabetes. We're here to ensure this never happens again. Our mission is simple: early detection, personalized health management tools, and accessible healthcare for all. At AfriVitals, users are at the center of their health journey. We're simplifying access with our Vital Check at-home test kits, offering critical insights into key health markers and personalized data on diabetes, heart disease, and essential nutrient levels. But that's just the beginning. We guide users through actionable steps that reduce the risk factors for life-threatening conditions before they become critical, allowing individuals to log unique health metrics and providing them with deeper insights. Combining personalized insights with actionable recommendations, tailored to each user's unique health profile, daily habits, and inputs. And because change takes place one day at a time, we give users access to an entire suite of advanced tools and trackers with real-time AI-powered personalized health coaching. From weekly workout plans in our Fit Kit that adjusts dynamically based on a user's fitness progress and activity log, to our Quit Kit, providing tailored strategies for smoking cessation, and Sip Kit, offering real-time support for moderating alcohol consumption. AfriVitals delivers proactive ethnicity health-focused solutions that help users reduce the risk of chronic conditions like heart disease and diabetes. Our tools are designed to make early intervention and health management not only possible, but second nature. But beyond the technology, AfriVitals is driven by a single purpose: to empower underserved communities with the tools they need to take control of their health and transform their future.